Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about Twitter advanced search, or you can say like how to utilize Twitter to perform Ocean technique as well. So there are multiple search filter basically available in Twitter. So if you could see that this is my Twitter homepage, probably Hitesh Malviya is one of my old friend who is more into cryptocurrency. But yeah, let's see what are different filter that we can typically use. So let's say there are one of the really smart filter, that is like we can use. Let's say I am searching for cryptocurrency, okay, and I do not want to see something like let's say I do not want to see uh, any output, but it shouldn't contain something like let's say yeah Bitcoin, okay. So you can utilize this search filter to basically search for cryptocurrency, but it should not contain Bitcoin. So you can say this hyphen or minus parameter, whichever you want to say, and it will show the result that do not contain your Bitcoin, but it contains some other coin and other result. Similarly, you can also search based on a particular person. So let's say I want to search like to let's say any tweet that has been done to let's say Elon Musk. Okay, so if I search this, so this is all going to say like all the tweets which are done to Elon Musk, basically to ask or maybe get some information, like this all information or all those tweets you can see here. So similarly there are multiple such text exist. I will give you a list. Basically this is the small list, so you could see that you can search based on near, you can search based on flight, you can search traffic, or maybe ask a question, love or hate, all those things that you can do using different keywords. So I will put the link in the comment section. You can go ahead, browse it, and try exploring further. So let's quickly talk about another brilliant website, that is 1 million tweet. So let me quickly bring out that website to you. So if you see that 1 million tweet map basically is a website that basically geographically it shows the various tweets, right? So it's basically you could see that there are various tweets which are happening in India. There are multiple tweets which are happening in let's say South Africa, and that way you can target on a particular geography and get to see more such tweet. So let me just quickly take you to some part of India. Of course you can search based on hashtag or maybe even username. So if I want to search for let's say hashtag bug bounty, okay, it does take some time because it's checking out all those different geographic location. So I will give it some time, and meantime I will take you to one more website, that is your you know Tweepler. It is kind of really interesting website which shows you all those top 10 trending tweets that is happening let's say in India. Oh, we got a server error, probably they are having some maintenance or maybe having some error, but anyway, so few things are working. So here you could see that there are some 7 years of Modi and Narendra Modi and all those different tweets which are going on Man Ki Baat, all those tweets which are in trending in India right now. I wish this guy would have shown you some output. Anyway, so meantime, still this particular search is going on. I will take you to another website, which is another great helpful for trend searching for the trending tweets. That particular website is hash it, or I would say hash at it. So if you search it, let's say I have just searched for bug bounty right now, a couple of minutes ago. So you could see all those tweets which are containing this hashtag bug bounty, right? So there are multiple tweets which are going on internet. So say this one, let's say this is one of the tweet basically for, I believe someone has done on Instagram related to stored accesses. Okay, I'm not promoting any channel over here, but I just wanted to show you some of the output of this particular hashtag. You could of course click on load more to see more search output and target whichever information that you need. Let's say this one again. I guess this is SSRF or XSRF, right? There's one more bug bounty channel or probably it hashtag that is running on Twitter. So similarly, there is one more website, that is Trends Map. So let me quickly show you that. Trends Map is really powerful. Okay, if I go back to Google and if I go to map, so it shows you various tweets based on different location as well, right? So you could see that it's similar to your geographic one, kind of, that we just spoke about couple of minutes ago, that is your 1 million tweet map. But it kind of differentiate based on I mean, showing this kind of graphical way, so that it becomes more easy for someone to read and go about learning various stuff, or maybe perform various ocean out of it. So I believe you would have got some idea about how to use Twitter for Ocean, or maybe probably I would suggest you to this weekend go ahead and check these websites. I'll put the link in the comment pin, and try to learn as much as you can and get to know like how powerful this Twitter even sometime. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great time. See you soon with another video. Thank you.